How to see who follows you on Snapchat. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who follows you on Snapchat. So if you've ever wondered who's keeping up with your snaps, follow along step by step to find out. All right, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, tap on Public Profile. Right on this page, you'll see the total number of people following you. For example, mine says I have 15 followers. But what if you want to know exactly who they are? Here's how. Go back to your profile page, then scroll down to My Friends. If someone is on this list, there's a good chance they're also following you. In my case, I have 15 friends here. Those match the 15 followers shown on my public profile. And that's it. That's the easiest way to check who's following you on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips.